What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my trading channel. Today we're going to be looking at this boom and crash spike catching strategy that also works even in scalping. Okay, it's a very simple strategy. As you can see, we've got a couple of indicators that we're going to be using to make our entries, and so this is how the strategy should look like by the end of this video once you have installed it. Okay, if you're new to this channel, I am Munya and I review different trading strategies each and every single day. We're currently doing our 100-day trading challenge whereby we're looking at the market each and every single day. And if you want to be part of that, make sure you subscribe, you turn on the notification bell that's right next to the subscribe button, and you like this video. You can comment down below that you're interested as well to join the 100-day trading challenge. Okay, but for today we want to look at this strategy. Now I would want to start by saying you should use this strategy with or in line with other trading principles like technical analysis and price action, just to improve your accuracy level. Okay, it is not good for you to limit yourself just to this strategy, but try and use it with other strategies. You can check out other strategies right here on this YouTube channel, especially the previous strategy that I posted. Go check it out and see what we were doing. So throughout the entire video, we're going to go through the step-by-step process of installing the strategy. We're going to go through the process of understanding the conditions, when to buy, when to sell. We're also going to be doing some back testing together so that we can see where we are coming from and where we are going. Okay, we can see previous trades and how they performed. All right, so what I'll do right now is I'll remove all my indicators as usual, and we'll start by installing all the settings. I'll give you all the settings for you guys to follow, and we'll definitely have to make some profits and some nice trades. Okay, so let me go and remove all my indicators right here. As you can see, I'm now left with a blank chart on crash 1000, and we're going to be using the 5-minute time frame. Okay, so this strategy works on all boom and crash indices, be it boom 1000, crash 1000, boom 500, crash 500, boom 300, and crash 300. You can apply this strategy on all of these indices, and you just have to be using your 5-minute time frame for your analysis, because you're going to be catching short trades. Remember, I said this is the spike catching strategy, which means you're actually supposed to exit after a spike, but because we're also going to be using it to trade ticks, then you can even hold for a little bit longer and try and catch those small movements that happen in the market. This is what we want to do. Okay, so now that I've removed every indicator, what I'll do right now is I'll start the process of installing the first indicator that we're going to need on our charts. Is called a moving average, and this moving average should have the following properties that you see on my screen. We've got a pyramid. The period is 8, the shift is 0, the method is exponential. We gotta apply to close, and then I'll choose the blue color for this indicator. Okay, and we don't need any levels. You can allow it to appear on all time frames, just like all the other indicators that you're going to be using. Okay, so if I click done and I go back to my chart, I should have a blue line running across my charts. You can see that line right there. That's our exponential moving average with period 8. Okay, the next indicator that we need is going to form our indicator window 1. Okay, so it's going to add what is called the stochastic oscillator. You find it under oscillators, and this stochastic oscillator should have the following properties. We want it to have a percentage period of 1, a percentage D period of 1 as well, a slowing of 1, a price field of low over high, a method of simple, and then on the styling I chose the same color as my background, so I have a white background. So for the main and for the signal, they should all have the same color as your background color. So in my case, I've got a white background as you saw, and I chose white. And then what's important are these levels. We've got the level 20, the level 80, the level 90, and the level 10. These are very important levels. I'll actually label this as a buy, and I'll also label my level 80 as a sell. Okay, So if I click next, done, I think I removed some levels there. Level 10, level 90, and we said our level 10 is our buy, right? And we said our level 80 is our sell. Okay, next, done. Okay, going back to my stochastic, I'll click done, and going back to the charts, you'll see that we now have this sell level and this buy level and nothing else inside. That is exactly how it should appear on your charts as you are installing this strategy. Okay, now from there on, we want to add the next indicators. Okay, going back to my indicator section, this time we'll click where it says indicator window 1, and from there on, we're going to add a moving average. This moving average, we have the following parameters: a period of 8, a shift of 0, the method is exponential, apply to close. I'll just change this color to black. Okay, and I'll click done, and as you can see, we now have a black line in our stochastic oscillator and our indicator window 1. Okay, fair and fine. Last but not least, we need to add another indicator under our indicator window 1 that is going to help us with confirmations, and this indicator is going to be the MACD, and this MACD is going to have the following parameters. The fast EMA is going to be 7, the slow EMA is going to be 9, the MACD SMA is going to be 9 as well. Apply to close. Then on your styling, your main should have the same color as your background. For in my case, it's white, so I chose white, and then the signal is the one that we want appearing on our charts, and it's got the red color there. That's bright and clear. Okay, so if I click done and go back to my indicators, you see now we have this red line as well, indicating our MACD, showing us where our MACD is at any price level. Okay, and now once you have done this, it means you have successfully installed the strategy. Basically, what's left is for us to understand the conditions. How do you buy, when do you buy, and when do you sell as well. Okay, so I'll start off by explaining some general tips that one should have when trading. Right, but before I get into that, please make sure you click the subscribe button and you turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time I post a video like this right here on this channel. You won't miss any of the strategy updates, any of the new strategies, any of the trading tips that we've posted. You won't miss them if your notification bell is turned on, because I'll personally notify you when I post. Okay, at the same time, feel free to like this video. Let's get to 100 likes, guys. It's very motivating to know that I've got 100 people following and listening and following the instructions as well. Comment down below what you've learned throughout this video, and you might stand a chance to win VIP access for free. Okay, so there will be a link in the description box below where you can join our trading community, which is our Telegram channel with over 7,000 traders in there. In that group, you'll be able to see my trading results, my students' trading results, trading tips, our progress in our VIP signals group, our progress in our account management program, everything, even work that was posted before you join that group, you'll be able to access it and see it. That's the good part about Telegram. So feel free to join. It's completely free to join. Just click the link in the description box below and it will tell you to join Telegram. It will take you straight to our Telegram channel and you'll be able to join for free and have access to all that information. You'll also be able to find my WhatsApp number if you want to talk to me direct from the Telegram channel only. This is for you to also avoid scammers and get the direct link to our platforms. Okay, you can also check out our TikTok account. Again, the link will be in the description box below. Let's get back to this strategy. How do you use this strategy? Number one, you first need to also be able to identify a trend. Okay, always try and trade in line with the trend. So I usually go to my 15-minute time frame to analyze my trend, and once I have identified my trend, I'll then be able to go to my 5-minute time frame and use this strategy. How do I then use it in the 5-minute time frame? It's very simple. We've got our sell levels and our buy levels, right, clearly labeled there. So once I see that this red and black line are meeting in my sell zone, I already have the mindset that we're probably going to end into a sell. Okay, that is if my 15-minute time frame was also confirming that trend. Okay, and once I see that, I'm going to go to my main chart and I'm going to look for when price crosses to be below this blue line right here. To be below this blue line right here. Once it crosses to be below, once price crosses to be below the blue line, I know that my sell trade has been confirmed, because I now have 3 confirmations. This is the first confirmation, second confirmation. Oh, this is actually the second confirmation. The first confirmation comes from our trend. Okay, so once we have established that we're in downtrend, this will become my second confirmation, and this will become my entry point. And as you can see, price then pushed all the way down in profit. You were catching spikes. This is crash 500 and you're selling it, which means you're catching all these spikes all the way down. Okay, same concept is true even if you want to enter into a buy trade. You still have to experience the same things. Number one, you first identify your trend, right? Once you've identified your trend, you're going to come to your stochastic oscillator or your indicator window 1, and you're going to look for when the red and the black line meet while it's in the buy zone. And once you've seen that, you're actually going to wait for price to cross or break your market structure by crossing this blue line and being above. And as you can see, that was an early call for this big price movement that then went all the way up. So you also have to be patient and trust in your strategy whenever you're using it. Okay, let's take a look at boom and see if you can get the same type of setups. Yes, of course you can. Now I want you to see this trade. If you just start from trading from your 5-minute time frame, you're going to make this mistake. You just see this sell, right? You also see price going below, right? But can you see that there was a very short movement, a very short buy trade? This one. Why? Because you probably didn't check your 15-minute time frame to see that we are in an uptrend. So selling, you're going to be selling for a very short period of time, right? So you need to take that into account. The strategy will still give you entries, but these are short movements. These are short price movements. These can be retracements, corrections, right? So it's very difficult for you to actually trade them. We're actually in an uptrend. Can you see? So if you're trading against the trend, you probably have to take note of the duration that you're going to take in a particular trade. Okay, I hope you guys are going to enjoy this strategy. Tell me guys what you think about it in the comment section. If you need to ask any question, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll respond very quickly rather than in my inbox, because it will be flooded with messages. So right here on this platform, ask, and other people will also be able to be helped by your question. Until next time.